the lately you sent me, they never produce them.
You see? That is what you get for trying to claim what you're not. You can never own this kind of place. What kind of person you are?
Wait. Don't tell me say you send me waiting over the life. After I go work out the whole time, don't
shut up your mouth and give me back my money. Give me.
See, madam, you go there use when they respect yourself for true. And not be when I come find work for you, I not see you for you. You send me, I don't waka. They answer whether they get clear bill. So
you will soon lose your job. We all know you will soon lose your job.
Now they threaten me.
Oh yeah.
You know whether I go marry
if you don't pick up this money and put it in my hand, I will make sure that you do this place. Now, you can try me.
Wait.
Hello, baby.
Take it. They don't know they follow you the place. Take your money. Take your money. If not say I like my profession, say I like this baba work. But you go make it they threaten me because of this thing. I walk out the whole time. They find clear gutter.
Okay. Get some towel where it came so.
Ma, should I report your hair?
Who sent you a message?
Don't waka time.
This one
you have to like to play Baba Ijeoma. Mama and Papa never play Baba Ijeoma. Every time they hold person and mortuary. This is the two last time when they play Baba Ijeoma. Only person only get they play Baba
Ijeoma. My dear, you don't need to be surprised. Maybe this guy have picked someone money.
Don't be lie, yo.
Something you bad.
Upcoming game. You pick money for them.
I beg you relax. Which kind of bad that they give somebody? You see person just they in the happiest mood. When I just they bite time. Eh?
Oh, who call you for this matter? You just drink finish, Nnanna, I don't forget. Obi. I
don't see you this guy you enjoyment. The guy life and the one live. Tell us what they behind this thing. Tell us.
I don't tell you get gift of seeing. But you go end up for Salon. May God help me. May your place will leave you on. You get that game over would I give me yesterday. Baba Ijeoma Monday special 3 direct. Now I play with that 1-5. I collect for that large one. Baba enter. Baba the thing don't enter.
Serious?
I go to the office to collect the money.
Wait, Obi. So you mean say that game